Hello, welcome to my channel Max My Heartbeat. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing fine, right? So, today let us discuss some important concept, that is how to succeed in life. Let us discuss about it. Not only in life, how to succeed whatever we are doing. Okay? There are some simple tips which we need to follow. Okay? So, are you all excited to know how to succeed? Okay? Then let's get started. Hi, my name is Srinivasulu. I am teaching IIT JEE in mathematics along for classes 11th and 12th along with basic mathematics for beginners. So, friends, along with the subject, I need to say some valuable words for you which will be useful in your future or in your life. So, first thing is, whenever you want to succeed in whatever the task you are doing, first you analyze it. First, you note down what are the basic requirements needed for that work. Okay? For suppose, for your example, if you want to if you want to get good rank, good percentile in IIT JEE, yes, it is not an easy task, right? You need to do hard work. Hard work in the sense, not simply reading hours and hours. Hard work includes smart work also. Smart work in the sense means we are having a planning, yes, to what to do and how to do. Yes, that is called planning. Means we need to prepare a chart. Yes, means we need to have a timetable, and in so and so day and at so and so time I have to do so and so work. Yes, in IIT JEE, for suppose we are having mathematics, physics and chemistry, right? So for those three subjects we have to plan according to our surroundings, according to our living, So first what we have to do means we have to have a planning. Means from morning onwards up to night what we have to do. We have to have a certain plan. Right? Then only we can succeed. Means we can analyze. Analyzing in the sense we have to start doing that. Yes? First, suppose in the first day, according to your timetable, you are not following. At least half of the time you have spent. Okay, that is better. There is a saying, right? Something is better than nothing. So start, and you know the result of that. Yes, at the end of the day. So it will be beneficial, right? First, suppose I am giving a best example. Nowadays, students are all habituated for playing Free Fire or PUBG, something like that, right? What they are thinking? Yes, I have to score this many points. Today I have scored this much. I have scored more number of points. Have to get more and more chicken dinner, something like that, right? Means you are aiming on that. The same aim, if you keep in the education, will definitely succeed. Yes? So, first have a timetable. Whatever the competitive exam you are preparing, first have a timetable. Prepare and analyze it and work hard so that you will definitely succeed. Yes? And not just keeping in the mind, but don't delay. Tomorrow I will do, next day I will do means you will never succeed. Start today itself, definitely will succeed. Understood? Yes? So, definitely, I hope these tips are very, very helpful to you. So, start with a little, means one step at a time. Then you will be able to build a building. Right? Foundation is nothing but basic. Basic means we have to start. Definitely we have to start. Yes. First we need to know the basics of whatever we are learning. Yes. Then we will never feel difficulty in whatever the subject we are learning. So definitely first start with the basic. Yes. Definitely you have to start from the basic. Then only you can learn everything perfectly. Yes. I hope this video is helpful to you, and I hope that not all people, at least some people may change by seeing this. If one or two are changing also, I am feeling very happy. Why? Because I wanted to share, I have shared with you. And what if any mistakes are there, or if any pronunciation mistake, or if anything delivered wrong way means, I am very sorry. And I hope whatever I wanted to convey to you. And that's all for today. Take care. Bye.